Do you want a cheap and easy way to keep what you do on the internet anonymous and secure? Try ProXPN. For $6.25 a month, you can safely surf the web anywhere in the world. Do you travel a lot? With ProXPN, you can even get on websites such as YouTube and Netflix that are blocked in some countries. Devices currently supported with premium membership are Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. ProXPN, keeping you anonymous since 2009. Try today. Link in the description below.
Hey guys, Joe here with History Reviews. Today we are looking at the RCA Voyager 3. So this is a tablet that was on sale for Black Friday, about $40 for this right here, the RCA Voyager 3 tablet, and it looks pretty cool. I like tablets because you can make music on them. They're affordable, $40, that's not hard to get, at least for me at least. So yeah, RCA tablet. I love RCA. RCA makes good quality products. We're going to get right into the unboxing here. I'm actually going to open it from the other way. So, 7-inch display, 4-core processor, 16 gigabytes storage, and it's Android. Has 2 cameras and all that. That's nice. We're going to go right into it. Let me get it out of the box. Okay, it comes in the cardboard like old McDonald's. And alright, so silica gel packet, don't eat that. We have the charger right here, it's just a simple charger. And then beyond that, we have the tablet, the instruction manuals. I'm just going to drop that down there. Wow, that is pretty. Take off the security tape. And there we go. Here is the RCA tablet, as you guys see. And let's see if it powers on. That's just a big thing. Where's the power button at? RCA powered by Android. It's got a nice display to it too. Voyager 3. I'll wait until it loads. Come on, Voyager. Now, admittedly, not the heaviest. Feels like if you bent hard enough, it could break. But for $40, I mean, you get what you get. If it would ever load, that would be nice. It's lightweight. I'm throwing it in the air. I know it's probably making my cousin gonna cringe when he's editing this, but I think it loaded finally, but it's not showing anything. Okay, there we go. It's glitching. Activation screen. Okay, now we gotta pull out the activation card. It was a bit of a hassle to find the activation code. If you buy an RCA tablet as this, make sure you check the receipt or some other purchases of the RCA tablets and or other things that require activation codes. The activation code might be in a slip inside of the box when you buy it. It might be on the receipt. Keep your receipt. There's a reason why people tell you to keep your receipts, is because if you threw it away, you'd be out $40 and you probably couldn't take it back because the activation receipt was on the receipt you ripped up. Probably hard to find. Probably not, but you know, always keep your receipt. So we have the welcome. The moving is very sensitive. You see I tilted and it wants to turn. So we have welcome, English, United States, let's go. I'm going to set it up for you guys. Setup is anew. So it's searching for Wi-Fi networks. And now I'm going to type in the password real quick. Okay, now we're connecting to the internet. RCA tablets are nice. RCA has a lot of like speaker setups and like sound systems. RCA is really good for that. Now we're going to update the firmware. 10 seconds remaining. I'm going to cut back to when this gets done. By the way, guys, we also bought a SanDisk 32 gigabyte SD card right here, and I put the tiny little micro SD right in the back, 32 gigabytes. We're gonna see if it works. So yeah. I've been sitting here for about 20 minutes waiting for this thing to work, and it's not been wanting to work for me. And by that I mean it just keeps going in circles. And this is what you get with a bare bones tablet. It's good, but it is so bare bones. And it just keeps going in circles. It'd say connect to a network. I'd hit it. Connect to a network. I hit it. It wouldn't work. But I finally got it connected. It was painful. But we got the Play Store working, and that's what matters. I want to test out the volume and everything. As you see, it's just really slow. Like really, 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 really slow. It's checking info on an app. I click on an app and it says checking info. Overall, though, with my experience with it so far, setting everything up, it was pretty easy. This isn't really going to be an in-depth review.